BYD reigns as China's top-selling car brand and the global leader in electric vehicle production, with a staggering 4.3 million vehicles delivered in 2024. Now, their CEO, Wang Chuanfu, has dropped a bombshell that's flipping the EV race on its head. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary new engine that's so cutting-edge, even the biggest doubters are racing to catch up. Stick with us because by the end, you'll see the auto industry in a whole new light. The electric vehicle industry is no stranger to disruption, but BYD just delivered a seismic shock that's reverberating from Shanghai to Detroit. As the Chinese EV giant that overtook Tesla to become the world's top electric vehicle producer, BYD has a knack for rewriting the rules. On May 28, 2024, at a high-profile event in Xi'an, China, CEO Wang Chuanfu unveiled the fifth generation of BYD's dual-mode DM hybrid technology. A breakthrough so profound that it's forcing every major automaker to rethink their strategy. This isn't just a new engine, it's a masterclass in innovation that's threatening to reshape the entire automotive landscape. Today, we're breaking down exactly how this technology works, why it's got competitors like Tesla, Toyota, and Volkswagen on edge, and what it means for the future of the EV industry. The stakes in the EV race have never been higher, and BYD just raised the bar to dizzying heights. Their new DM 5.00 hybrid system is a technological marvel, achieving an unprecedented fuel consumption of just 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers on depleted batteries, while boasting an electric-only range of up to 130 miles according to Reuters. That's a 25% leap over their already dominant fourth-generation DMI system, which powered models like the Qin Plus and Song Plus to capture China's market. This new tech allows BYD's plug-in hybrids to drive farther on electric power, consume less fuel when the battery runs dry, and deliver performance that rivals pure EVs, all at a price that makes gasoline-powered competitors look obsolete. It's no surprise that legacy automakers are scrambling to respond. What makes BYD's moves so audacious is their relentless focus on affordability. The DM 5.00 technology is already powering models like the Qin L and Seal 06, with starting prices as low as 99,800 yuan, roughly $13,700. Compare that to Toyota's Prius, which costs nearly double in China, or Tesla's Model 3, which can't match BYD's hybrid versatility at its $36,000 price point. CNN reports that BYD's vertical integration, controlling everything from lithium mines to semiconductor production, enables them to slash costs without compromising quality. This isn't just a car, it's an economic juggernaut. In China, where BYD commanded 32% of new energy vehicle sales last year compared to Tesla's 6.1%, they're not just leading the market, they're redefining it. The brilliance of the DM 5.00 system lies in its adaptability. Unlike competitors' one-size-fits-all approaches, BYD designed this technology to power a diverse lineup, from compact sedans to rugged off-roaders. Their dual-mode off-road DMO platform, tailored for body-on-frame vehicles like the Fangchang Baobao 5 SUV and the BYD Shark pickup, integrates a longitudinal engine layout with intelligent torque distribution. According to BYD's official site, this setup delivers electrified efficiency on city streets and raw power on tough terrain, challenging the likes of Toyota's Land Cruiser and Ford's F-150. Industry analyst Thule from Sino Auto Insights told CNN, BYD's pace of innovation and cost competitiveness is unmatched. Legacy automakers are struggling to keep up. This breakthrough comes at a pivotal moment for the global auto industry, which is grappling with escalating trade tensions. The EU's 17% tariff on Chinese EVs and the US's 100% tariff have blocked BYD's vehicles from American shores. Yet Wang Chuanfu remains undeterred, announcing a 30% increase in overseas deliveries for 2025, targeting 800,000 vehicles per state media. BYD is sidestepping tariffs by building factories in Thailand, Brazil, and Hungary, mirroring the strategic localization that General Motors used to neutralize Trump's trade policies. Reuters notes that BYD's European sales tripled in Q1 2025, reaching 37,000 vehicles, cementing their status as a global powerhouse. The ripple effects are reshaping the industry in real time. Tesla's stock slid 5% after BYD's announcement as investors fret over Tesla's lack of a hybrid offering. Toyota, despite rolling out next-generation engines compatible with biofuels, can't match BYD's electrified cost advantage. Stellantis, heavily dependent on imported components, faces a projected 65% tariff impact, according to J.P. Morgan, and has announced plant closures across North America. Meanwhile, competitors like Nissan and XPeng are racing to mimic BYD's low-cost hybrid strategy, with XPeng unveiling new models priced at $14,000 to challenge BYD's dominance. But BYD's edge isn't just price. Their God's Eye driver assistance system, standard on most models, rivals Tesla's full self-driving, and their latest battery technology, delivering 250 miles of range in 5 minutes, outpaces Tesla's superchargers, per CNN. Wang Chuanfu's confidence stems from decades of strategic foresight. Founded in 1995 as a battery manufacturer, BYD mastered the EV industry's biggest bottleneck, batteries, long before its rivals. Wang, a metallurgical chemist turned billionaire, dedicates 60% of his time to technology, obsessing over innovations like the Blade battery, which maximizes space and safety. His vision, as he told CNN, is to set the strategic course for the entire EV industry. The numbers back him up, Kim. BYD's 2024 revenue soared to 107 billion yuan, a 29% increase from 2023, with 4.27 million vehicles delivered. They're not just outpacing Tesla, they're rewriting the competitive playbook. The political fallout is just as dramatic. Trump, who once touted tariffs as a tool to bolster American manufacturing, is reportedly frustrated by BYD's global agility. Much like GM's use of the USMCA trade deal to dodge tariff impacts, BYD is leveraging local production to neutralize trade barriers. Their factories in Southeast Asia and Latin America are already churning out vehicles, and their Hungarian plant is set to supply Europe by late 2025. This adaptability undermines the leverage tariffs are meant to provide, exposing the limits of protectionist policies when faced with a nimble, vertically integrated giant. The consumer impact is equally profound. With BYD keeping hybrid prices low, price increases are projected at just $1,800 per vehicle compared to competitors' $3,900. BYD's affordability and tech are driving a seismic shift in consumer preferences. Per Reuters, budget-conscious buyers are flocking to their showrooms. As the global landscape shifts, BYD's ability to innovate and adapt is proving to be a real game-changer. The company has built a reputation for not just keeping up with trends but honestly setting them. Their strategic approach to expansion, cost reduction, and technological leadership is really redefining the electric vehicle market. What's truly fascinating is BYD's vertical integration strategy, which allows them to maintain tight control over every aspect of production, from the raw materials to the finished vehicles. This approach not only boosts efficiency, but also drives down costs in a way that traditional automakers just can't replicate. While other companies struggle with supply chain disruptions and high production costs, BYD is able to maintain a steady flow of products at competitive prices. This vertically integrated model also gives BYD an edge in the battery market. With their extensive research and development into battery technologies, including the revolutionary Blade battery, BYD is staying ahead of the curve. These batteries not only enhance vehicle safety but also increase energy density, allowing their EVs to travel farther on a single charge. By focusing on the entire EV ecosystem, from batteries to vehicles to charging infrastructure, BYD is positioning itself as a long-term leader in the global EV market. Their focus on sustainability and eco-friendly practices has really resonated with consumers worldwide, contributing to their impressive growth in both domestic and international markets. And as we look ahead, BYD's strategy is set to reshape the future of the automotive industry. With plans to increase international deliveries and expand their manufacturing footprint, the company is positioning itself for continued success in the coming years. Whether it's through innovative new models, cutting-edge battery technologies, or cost-effective solutions for everyday consumers, BYD is setting the pace for the entire industry. In conclusion, BYD's latest innovations and strategic moves are shaking up the global automotive market. By focusing on affordability, performance, and sustainability, they are redefining what it means to be a leader in the EV space. With their groundbreaking DM 5.00 hybrid system, the company is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, forcing competitors to reevaluate their strategies and accelerating the transition to cleaner, more efficient transportation. As the EV race heats up, one thing is clear. BYD is leading the charge, and the future of electric vehicles is bright. That's all for today's deep dive into BYD's revolutionary advancements in the electric vehicle market. As the global EV race accelerates, it's clear that BYD is setting new standards for innovation, performance, and affordability. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates on the world of electric vehicles and the automotive industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.